Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you swatches and a look using some of the eyeshadows that I picked up from Devinah Cosmetics. So if you watched my Black Friday haul, then you know that I picked up some eyeshadows from Devinah Cosmetics, an indie brand, a very popular indie brand that I've been hearing about for a long time. And I finally got the opportunity, or took the opportunity, to pick up some of their shadows during their Black Friday sale. And I guess they're very well known for their Multichrome eyeshadows, so I did pick up a couple of those. Now, I wanted to wait to do this video because I did place an initial order with them on Black Friday, and a lot of what I ordered, the Aurora Flare collection, a lot of that got sold before I was able to check out. It was in my cart, but then they sold it out from under me. So Devinah did open up a pre-order a little while later that allowed people to order all the shadows that they didn't get at the Black Friday sale price. So I did make a second order, but those shadows aren't going to ship until January 15th. So I didn't want to wait that long to use these eyeshadows or to show them to you. So I'm going to swatch the ones that I picked up during the sale. There's 6 of them. Now, this palette I picked up from Devinah as well, and it's a beautiful holographic empty magnetic palette, and then these are the eyeshadows. They sold this regularly retails for $18, and they were on sale for $12, but honestly you can get the exact afterwards. I went to Amazon because I felt like I paid too much for these, and you can get these same exact palettes for like $6 or $7. So just a little tip. So I did pick up 6. Now I got 2. These 2 here are from the Aurora Flare collection, and then I ordered the others. I think there's 6 in the collection, and I ordered 4 more. One of them I didn't order because they're very similar. 2 of these are, I think it's this one and another one that are very similar. So now looking back on it, I should have just gotten the whole bundle. If I had done that, I would have had it here today because it didn't sell out. Anyway, so those are on the way. And then I also got 4 more multi-chromes. These are not the same formula as these. I'm not sure which collection these are from. They're not the same formula as the Aurora Flares, but they are multi-chromes as well. They're just a lot more glittery. So I'm going to swatch all of these. I did use one of them. I used both of the Aurora Flares in this eye look today, and then I used another one from this from a different collection. So I did use those 3 today. These 2 are on the lid, and this one is in the inner corner. So let's get to swatching. Now I'm going to swatch the Aurora Flare eyeshadows first, and this one is Borealis, and it is, look at this, oi oi. And it's blue, but it also shifts to a purple. And when you put your finger in it, they feel like silk. Oh my gosh, so smooth. Look at that. So it's a blue and a teal and purple, and I don't know if you're going to see all of the shifts, but oh my goodness, feels so nice. Let me take the watch off. Don't want to get in the way of the swatching. And let's swatch it down here. Look at that, and look how much is still on the finger. Just, oh my goodness, so smooth and so pigmented, like liquid metal. It looks like liquid metal. This next one is Exosphere. Look at that. Oh, and it's this beautiful, like electric lime green that also shifts to blue and some yellow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I probably won't get, but there you can see some blue, some darker green, some yellow, the lime green. This is Draco, and this is the one that I used wet in my inner corner. And it's another teal. It looks like it has some pink in it. And see, these don't have the same body as the Aurora Flare multichromes, but still very pretty and pigmented. But they definitely have more of a glitter, have more glitter in them, more of a glittery formula. This is Tucana, and it's looking pink here, but when it's sitting in my palette, it looks champagne. And you see that? It's pink and champagne. And these definitely have like, definitely have fallout. They're like the glitter flakes because they're in the pan right now. So these will get messy. So I would suggest you use the more glittery ones with a glitter glue, or use them damp. This is NYX, which is gold and bronze. Looks like it has some peach, some green. There's a lot going on with this one. A lot going on. Look how gorgeous. And now this one, see how there's like nothing left on my finger after the swatch, as opposed to the Aurora Flare multichromes. And lastly, we have Centaurus. That's looking peachy pink here. In the pan, it looks champagne gold bronze. That's what it looks like on the finger. And here is the swatch. Let me get a little more for you. Aren't they beautiful? They're absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but see the swatch? It looks like, they look like flakes. So it's a much more glittery, flaky formula. So yeah, and I do have like, I don't know if you can see, but I do have like specks of it in the pan. So yeah, I definitely would suggest a glitter glue using them wet. But they're magnificent, and it doesn't take a lot to see the shift, at least not on my arm or in the pan. I do feel like I'm not seeing the shift as much on my eyes, but you be the judge and you tell me what you think. Now, if you'd like to see how I created this look today using the beautiful multi-chrome shadows from Devinah Cosmetics, then keep on watching. That is the look. I'm really happy and excited to have added these to my collection, especially these Aurora Flare Multichromes. I cannot wait for the rest of them to come in. It's such a gorgeous formula. I don't know that I have anything else like it in my collection. And then the rest of these are very reminiscent to me of the JD Glow Cosmetics Multichromes that I just recently picked up. And full disclaimer, I did just place an order this evening for some shadows from Devinah Cosmetics. I've been hearing about those forever and how special they are and so on and so forth. So I finally pulled the trigger. They were having their restock and sale today, so I finally pulled the trigger. Oh, child, they are pricey. They are pricey, and that's one of the things that has kept me from buying multichrome eyeshadows, because they do tend to be pricey, especially the pressed formula. I do have a loose formula from Dawn's Eyes Cosmetics, which was the very first multichrome shadows I ever purchased, but I don't tend to use loose shadows. They can be messy, and I don't know, it's just it's just easier and more convenient for me to use the pressed formula. That's my preference. So it's taken me a while to buy them in the pressed form, but these sales gave me the opportunity to snag some of them. They're very popular, so you got to get there early, get there fast, know what it is you want, put it in your cart, and be ready to pay for them. But yeah, I'm super excited. I've made several purchases. I've tried quite a few indie brands now in 2020, and so I'm really excited to use these shadows, to experience these formulas, and I will be doing more looks with the other shadows that I didn't use today. When I do get my second order from Devinah, I will of course swatch those for you as well and do a tutorial. And then I also have shadows from Terra Moons that finally shipped. So I hope to be getting those hopefully before Christmas. I don't know, we'll see. But when I get them, of course, I'll be back to show those to you as well. Let me know, do you have any shadows from Devinah Cosmetics, and what are your thoughts about them? If you liked this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing, because I do makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews here every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.